Hello and welcome to another walk around video with us here at Subaru of Saskatoon, located at 471 Circle Place. Today we are looking at a beautiful one owner 2021 Subaru Legacy GT in pearl white with just over 47,000 kilometers. This top of the line model comes with Napa leather seats, Subaru's award-winning EyeSight technology that includes cruise control and adaptive cruise with lane centering, blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, collision warning with mitigated collision braking, and automatic rear braking. Sharing the same platform as the Subaru Outback, this sedan rides tight and smooth with responsive shocks and easy cornering that makes it a pleasure to drive or ride as a passenger. It sits on 18-inch black alloy rims and has seating for 5. Under the hood, you'll find the amazing 2.4-liter turbocharged engine that delivers 260 horsepower. As always, the Legacy is powered by Subaru's Symmetrical all-wheel drive system, and it's no secret that it just might be the best all-wheel drive in the industry. Stepping inside, the 2021 Legacy has been redesigned to offer the driver and passengers more comfort with heated and cooled front seats, heated rear seats and rear USB chargers. Steering responsive headlamps are standard on the 2021, and a seat extender to support your thighs has been added for the driver, along with a wireless charging pad for your phone, onboard navigation, and memory driver's seat. The 11.6-inch tablet style screen is easy to operate but doesn't intrude on dash height that can reduce vision. The ride quality is unbelievable, taking potholes, road bumps, and corners with seemingly childish ease. And because the Legacy takes regular gasoline, there's no need to stretch the monthly budget for premium gas. The 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system with Sirius satellite radio capability and the CD player and the armrest provide ample options for any audiophile cruising around the city or taking a scenic road trip. This 2021 Subaru Legacy GT will not last long, and it's a ride that must be experienced to fully appreciate. The seating configurations allow for tall passengers over 6 feet to sit behind the driver with spacious room. And the trunk can easily fit golf clubs, a hockey bag, or strollers in a Costco run. If you're looking for incredible luxury and fit, finish, performance, and reliability at an affordable price, call us today to schedule a test drive and feel what Subaru owners around the world have been bragging about for decades. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and happy driving.